Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 17. Today date is 7/11/2020. Now, see student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed book exercises of the chapter, that is question number A MCQ, question number B fill in the blanks, and question number C, that is match the column. Okay, now student, after that we are doing question number D, that is give short answers to the following questions. And first two questions that we have already completed in the book, already completed in the classwork copy. Now let's start with the third question. Chapter Environment Pollution. Okay. Now see student, what are the give short answer to the following question. Question number D. Okay, question number D. Give short answer now. Question number third, we have already completed question number 1 and 2. So question number third, what happens when we throw garbage in the open? What happens when we throw garbage in open? Answer. Now see student, what happens if we throw garbage in the open? Now first of all I explain you, ठीक है, if we start throwing garbage in the open, then what's happen student? It creates a pollution, and that pollution is known as land pollution. And even student, when we throw the garbage in the open, then what happens? These places are very suitable for the germs. These places are very suitable for the germs. So different peoples will suffer due to this the people will suffer from different types of the diseases in that area. Okay, that is the reason, student. Throwing of a garbage in the open land, I have already discussed with you at the time when I am teaching you land pollution. So at that time I told you, student, that we should not throw garbage directly in the open fields. It is not a safe method. It is better that you can make composite pits. So this is the more safe method. Okay, so note down the answer. When we throw garbage, in the open, when we throw garbage in the open, it makes the land dirty and filthy, which which leads to land pollution. Okay, so when we throw garbage in the open, it makes the land dirty and filthy, which leads to land pollution. Because I already explained you, these types of places are good for the germs. So lot of germs in that types of a area, and due to this different types of diseases are spread among the peoples. Is it clear? Okay, now student, let's start question number E. Give detailed answer to the following question. Question number E. So now student, question number E. Give detailed answer. Give detailed answers. Now first is the, what are the harmful effect of water pollution? Question 1. What are what are the harmful effects of water pollution. So note down the answer. So what are the harmful effect of a water pollution? Firstly, you can note down the answer and then I give you the explanation. Some harmful effects of water pollution are some harmful effects of water pollution are first one, note down the answer. First effect, pollution water may causes polluted water may causes water borne diseases polluted water may causes water borne diseases like typhoid, cholera, dysentery, jaundice, malaria, etc. See, this is the most harmful effect of water pollution. For example, student, if you drink contaminated water, it means the water which is not fit. So there are many waterborne diseases. If we are the water which we are drinking, that water is not filtered or that water is not clean. So student, what are the name of the diseases which I have written on the board? These are the name of waterborne diseases. If we drink contaminated water, then definitely we will suffer from these types of diseases. That is the reason now if you go to the doctor, so doctor write that first of all take the sample of your blood, and after that he understand the problem that the person is suffering from which type of a disease, and then it give the medicines to the people. So student, if we are a person living in that area, they are drinking water which is not clean, then they will suffer from these types of diseases: typhoid, cholera, dysenteries, even jaundice. Skin symptom is their skins look yellow in color. Blood is very less in the body, so the color of the skin looks like yellow in jaundice. Malaria, it is also spread because if water is a breeding place of mosquitoes also, so with the bite of a mosquito, people also suffering from malaria. People are also suffering from the disease that is malaria. So all these are waterborne diseases. So this is the harmful effect of water. This is the harmful effect of water if we are drinking. And even student, now in present time, if we are talking about the present time, in maximum houses you will find that we are using different purifier. Firstly we purifies the water and then we are drinking. ठीक है, इवन इन योर स्कूल, इवन आप अपने स्कूल में भी देखोगे तो वाटर प्यूरिफाई करने की मशीन्स लगी हैं, and that water is purified and then we drink that water, because in present time there is people are facing lot of problems due to the contaminated water. ठीक है, so these are the harmful effects of water. This is the first point. Note down the second. Chemicals in the water. Chemicals in the water. Chemicals in the water. And student, from where these chemicals are coming? These chemicals are coming from the factories or industries. When these chemicals are coming from the factories and industries and this chemical goes into the river, then we say the water, it creates which type of a situation? It creates a water pollution. So chemicals in the water also have negative effects on the life of man, animals, and plants. Okay, so when the chemical coming from the factories, and these chemical enter in the river water, so due to this also student, it has a very negative effect on the life of a human beings also, for the animals also, and for the plants also. If animals will drink such contaminated water, because बेटा एनिमल्स अब हमारी तरह ह्यूमन बींग्स तो है नहीं कि हम लोग तो चलो बच भी सकते हैं. वी आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. एक मेथड ये भी है, यू बॉयल द वाटर. बाय बॉइलिंग ऑल्सो ऑल द जर्म्स आर किल्ड. and after that when the water become cool you can drink that. So there are many method how we can filter the water. But what about the animals? If the animals are drinking such contaminated water, definitely they will suffer from different types of diseases. Even the plants are also affected with this type of the water. There is one more point. 2 points I have already written and there is one more point. So I rub the board and then I will write the third point. You can take the screenshot of this also. So student, 2 points I have already written. Now this is the third point of the same question. What are the harmful effect of water pollution? Okay, so what is the third point? Note down. It also affects it also affects marine animals. And and sometimes they may die. See, animals whose habitat is water. See, there are many animals, student, who live in water, and if these harmful substances get mixed with the water, then it also create a lot of problem for those animals whose habitat, जिनके रहने की जगह क्या है, water है. You can say aquatic animals, animals which are found in the water. So due to this also many marine animals are dying. बहुत से मेरीन एनिमल्स क्या हैं, ड्यू टू पॉल्यूटेड वाटर दे आर डाइंग. दे डाई आल्सो ड्यू टू दीज ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. ड्यू टू दिस टाइप्स ऑफ ए ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी मैनी मेरीन एनिमल्स डाई आल्सो. सो स्टूडेंट, we can by our efforts we can also reduce this water pollution. Before sending the polluted water directly to the rivers, it is better that water is treated in the water treatment plant. Okay, so water को polluted होने से हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, लेस कर सकते हैं. बेस्ट मेथड क्या है? बिफोर this water enters into the rivers or sea, it is better that these water should be treated in the water treatment plant. So in this manner we can reduce the water pollution. Now see student, mention 3 factors that cause air pollution. So today we will discuss what are the reason for the air pollution. Question number 2. mention any three factors mention any three factors that cause air pollution, that cause air pollution. So student, let us discuss this question first. पहले इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, now see student, when we are talking about the air pollution, so there are different reasons how the air get polluted. There are different reasons how the air get polluted. So if we are talking about the different reason, then air pollution is also divided into air pollution it divides into two parts, natural, yeah, you can say by nature, and next is the by human activities. Okay, by nature, due to strong winds, what happened? The dust particles mix up with the air, and in this manner also they are creating a what type of a pollution? That is a air pollution. Another, fires in the forest. So due to this also, when by chance there is a fire in the forest, so many of the things burn at that time. So due to this also, due to the burning of different types of things, many harmful gases produce, and when these harmful gases get mixed up with the air, then it creates a air pollution. Now by human activities, when we are discussing, due to the burning of the garbage, when we burn the garbage student, so due to this lot of smoke is produced, and when these harmful gases mix with the air, it creates a air pollution. Next is domestic activities also. In villages area, many peoples cook food with the help of a coal or wood. So this is also, when the coal and wood burn, they produce lot of harmful gases, and when these harmful gases get mixed up with the air, it creates a air pollution. Next, by the vehicles, you see there are different types of vehicles and how they move. Say these vehicles runs due to petrol or diesel. So student, by the burning of these fuels, that is petrol or diesel, many harmful gases releases, which creates a pollution that is known as air pollution. And smoke that is coming from the industries and factories. These harmful gases also create a pollution that is known as air pollution. So question is, mention any three factor that causes air pollution. So what is air pollution? What are the factor that I have already discussed with you? Now in the next video we will write the answer of this question. Thank you student.